Hey guys, welcome back for a new video. I am Waza Kimbola and this is my YouTube channel. Hey guys, welcome back for a new video. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so happy to have you here again. And I wanted to thank you, my people, you, my subscribers, my family that watched my first video, that shared it, that liked it, that commented it, and I really appreciate it. And thank you again for supporting me. So today we are here to talk about something important. We are here to talk about the 4 apps every trader needs to have in order to be successful. So I'm going to record the app here on my phone and you will see it somewhere here on the screen. The first app that every trader has to have, the easy must have, is called MetaTrader 4. So this app is gonna allow you to place the trades that you're going to take. So this is my account, that's how it look like. You can see the live account here. Okay. So this is how it look like. This is the chart. Okay. Oh, what's going on? Okay. So that's the chart here. And you need to have this app in order to take trades. You can also have MetaTrader 5 and other platform as well, but I prefer MetaTrader 4 because it's the one that most of the brokers use since like trading has been public to everyone now, and I like it. It's easy. And the second app that I want to talk to you about is called TradingView. So TradingView also is a must-have. It's kind of like MetaTrader 4, but with TradingView you can do more stuff about it, and I like really the display. It looks very funny. It looks more modern to MetaTrader. So I use TradingView to do my analysis. You can see here I marked up my chart, everything. That's why I love TradingView. And also you can set like an alarm, like an alert, like here, you see it's line here. So it means that if the price comes down to hit that level, I'm going to get a notification from TradingView. That's why I like this app. Okay. And the third one is called Swiss Forex. I use this app for only one thing, but this app like has good features. You can see here we have a news. You can watch the news here. Follow that, everything. And there's a section called Forex TV. They give you like kind of like a summary of what's going on right now. So here they talked about Bitcoin right now here. I like it. It's also a calendar section, so you know what's going on about the news when you take a trade and everything. But why I use this app is mainly for one reason, like I said, and it's called Price Alert here. So price alert here, you can see here I am on Euro NZD, and let's say that let's go on Euro NZD. Okay, you see Euro NZD is here, right? So yeah, price alert. And in price alert I like it because you can add an alert for any pairs that you want, like in TradingView, but here you can add like many as you want. But in TradingView you can only have one alert for the free version of TradingView, so you have to pay to add like many alerts, like at least 2 and more. And since I use like the free version in TradingView, I use this app to set up my alerts and it works pretty well. I've been using it for like more than 1 year now and everything is great. I like it. And the last app is called fxcalculator. I use this app to calculate my risk on every trade that I'm taking. It's very important for a trader to know how much money you are risking in every trade. So I use the position size here. As you can see, you put your currency here, your every currency that you need, but I only need the USD. And here you choose your pair that you want to choose. You can also type it. Let's go like JPY. Yeah, and you put your account size here, your balance, and you put how many percentage you want to risk here. So let's go like you want to risk 1%, and your stop loss is like, let's say 30 pips. When you come down here, it shows you how much you're risking on this trade. So you say $50, and it shows you also the lot size that you have to use. And I like it. So it's easy, and I think every trader needs to have these apps because you learn a lot from it, and it's very helpful.